Fog and haze on the lakeshore. You could really see it when Blake was in Ludington earlier today.
Absolutely, but now things seem to be clearing up. George, it looks like it's sunny out there on the weather deck.
Sunny in the inland area, still foggy at the lakeshore where there are dense marine fog advisories still in effect. We've got a very warm and summer-like weekend coming our way, and the 13 weather ball is red. Warmer weather all weekend ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
We had our first air quality alert for tomorrow. May it be extended into Sunday as well for Muskegon, Kent, Ottawa, Allegan, and Van Buren counties because of the light winds and the air quality. The air quality is in the moderate category here at this hour. It is expected to go into the USG, or unhealthy for sensitive groups, during the day tomorrow. So limit your outdoor activity if you can. Look at all the fog at the lakeshore from Muskegon to Grand Haven, down through Holland, and even Michigan City, Indiana, where water temperatures are in the 50s. The Muskegon Channel is 53 degrees. Yes, 53 at the channel in Muskegon, 65 up in Pentwater. At least you can see down the channel. But there is that dense marine fog advisory until midnight tonight right along the lakeshore. Meanwhile, inland, we've got clear to partly cloudy skies, but you notice there is a lot of haze in the air. That's due to the air quality. Temperatures have warmed up nicely into the mid and upper 70s to near 80. Inland lakeshore, it's only in the upper 60s to near 70. And it got humid late last night, and the humidity today has caused a couple of pop-up showers and storms to develop over here in Ionia County, down near the Battle Creek area. All of these are non-severe and will dissipate once the sun goes down. Weather is going to stay very quiet over the weekend. High pressure is just going to keep us clear and dry, although with the south wind shifting to the west, we will see warm temperatures all weekend long. So again, air quality is in the moderate category, and it will climb into the unhealthy for sensitive group during the day tomorrow, may be extended into Sunday as well. Temperature-wise, tomorrow we're going to climb into the low 80s with all that hazy sunshine, mid 80s on a Sunday, and then on Monday we'll also be in the mid 80s. We're going to hold off any showers and storms until Monday night. Looking farther ahead, this is getting into the start of the holiday weekend. We're going to cool off. We're going to be near average with temperatures in the low and mid 70s. Higher chances that we will see more precipitation. I think we'll have one day over the holiday weekend where we'll get some of that precipitation. Fog at the lakeshore as temperatures fall back down to the upper 40s and low 50s. Northern areas mainly just partly cloudy late tonight. Clear this evening, lows between 50 and 53, and mainly clear here inland with a little bit of fog right at the lakeshore along the southern zone. Overnight lows in the low and mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Unusually warm, but not record highs all the way through Tuesday. We've highlighted Tuesday with at least a risk of severe weather, and then showers on Wednesday morning, and then much cooler weather Thursday through the entire holiday weekend. Highs in the upper 60s and low 70s. We've moved the rain from Saturday into Sunday, but we'll update that as we get closer to the holiday weekend. Heading into the weekend, looking good. All the air quality is not looking so hot, but at least it'll be sunny and warm. 13 weather ball, it continues to be red. We've got that warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And walking the dog this evening, just take it easy with Kelsey out there. Air quality is, kind of on the marginal side, but Alex and Holly give you the green paw this evening as temperatures in the upper 70s will drop into the 60s and in the 50s tomorrow morning. Winds will be very light, so it should be a pleasant walk for everyone. More sunshine tomorrow. We had a little fog and some clouds early today that burned on off, and for wind, very light winds, and that's leading to the poorer air quality around the Great Lakes region. As far as the clouds along the lakeshore, a lot of fog this morning. It cleared out for a little while this afternoon, but it's back with us this afternoon and this evening, and we have a dense fog advisory out on Lake Michigan until midnight. You can see up and down the lake from Muskegon to Holland, along the beach in Grand Haven where the Kite Fest is going to take place tomorrow. Not so bad down in Michigan City, a low visibility, and looking to the northwest from the Muskegon pier there, it's only 56 degrees, at least a little hint of some sun, but not much there in Montague. It's only 68 degrees along the lakeshore at Lake Michigan. As far as the active weather, not much going on. There have been a couple of pop-up showers and storms. Raining pretty good here in Ionia County to the northeast, but none of these are severe, just putting some heavy rain for a very short period of time. We could use some rain. High pressure off to our west is going to keep us clear and dry and warm throughout much of the weekend. There's a little low pressure system in the eastern part of the state helping out with those showers and storms. Temperatures, that's going to be the big thing this weekend. Low 80s, our average high is 70, so 12 degrees warmer on Saturday, 84, 14 degrees warmer on Sunday, and despite some more clouds on Monday, we'll still make the mid-80s. Those are about 5 to 10 degrees below our record highs, however. Looking farther ahead, this is wrapping up the month of May. From the 25th through the 31st, we are looking at an equal chance, kind of leaning a little bit closer to higher chances for cooler than average temperatures, which are right now in the low and mid 70s. And as far as rainfall, a little bit higher chance for more precipitation during that 1 week period. Forecast for tonight along the lakeshore, look for dense fog, temperatures upper 40s to the north, low 50s to the south with that onshore breeze continuing. Northern areas around 50 to 53 under mainly clear skies, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area will be clear this evening. Some clouds right around daybreak, but those are going to mix on out later on. Overnight lows in the low and mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. The humidity returns Sunday. That will last through Tuesday. The haze sticks around through Tuesday as well. Next chance of rain will be Monday night. Showers and storms, some of them could be severe on Tuesday, but the showers will end on Wednesday. Kind of windy. That wind's going to bring in some much cooler air. Second half of the week will be around 70 Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We've moved the rain from Saturday now into Sunday as it's been pushed back a little bit, but a little bit cooler than our 80s this weekend. Wow, that's summer-like.
It is very summer-like this weekend. Going to enjoy it. Thanks, George.
George, there is so much going on outside this weekend, and you're going to be at one of the really big events on Sunday.
Yeah, this is going to be fantastic. Heading up to Baldwin, Juliet, and that is where the Blessing of the Bikes will take place on Sunday. And I'll be there as part of my Forecasting a Farewell tour. One of many stops yet to come this spring and summer. Temperatures up there are going to be warm in the low 80s under mostly sunny skies. At least there'll be a bit of a breeze, just a little bit of humidity. I think it'll feel more like 83 as well as the temperature. 13 weather ball is red, even warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures today climbed into the mid and upper 70s, even 80 in Kalamazoo, well above our average high of 70. Last year we were 62, but nowhere near our record high of 91. That came within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've had 3 days in a row. We hope to extend that all the way through the weekend. Clean Air Action Day, the first one issued for the season, probably not the last. This may be extended into Sunday as well for Muskegon, Kent, Ottawa, Allegan, and Van Buren counties because the air quality even today is not that great. It's in the moderate category. We can all handle that for the most part, but it does climb into the unhealthy force sensitive group or orange tomorrow, and that may continue into Sunday as well. As far as the active weather, it's been pretty quiet. There have been a couple of pop-up showers and isolated thunderstorms here moving up through the Kalamazoo area into Barry County, also one here in Ionia County. These are ordinary afternoon showers and storms along the lake breeze. Here in the northeastern part of the lower Michigan is a little bit stronger storms, but those are well away from us as we advertised yesterday. Active weather up here in North Dakota and Montana, but none of that's going to be reaching us until late in the day on Monday. So we got a couple of really warm days here in west of Michigan. Right now we've got a storm system that's moving away from us. Now a lot of you have been asking, are these unusually warm temperatures anywhere near records? No. Record high tomorrow is 90 here in Grand Rapids, also in Holland, 92 in Kalamazoo, all of those set in 1962. A record set in Muskegon back in 1998. We'll be in the upper 70s and low 80s, about 10 degrees below any record highs. Upper level winds will be shifting a little bit later on next week. Right now we're coming out of the southwestern U.S., but that right in there is a change in a little bit cooler weather, more seasonable weather heading into the weekend. There's also a chance we could see some showers over the holiday weekend. I think it'll only be 1 out of the 4 days. Every Friday, we get the long-range outlook. This is the first 2 weeks of June. All the warm weather will be concentrated out west. We have an equal chance of seeing warmer or cooler readings during that 2-week period. Storm track will be just 2 hours south, so we have an equal chance of seeing more or less here during that 2-week period. It's Clean Air Action Day from Muskegon southward along the lakeshore. Hazy conditions with that sunshine, mid and upper 70s onshore breeze all day. We have to deal with some fog at the beaches. Low 80s north, hazy sunshine with a light south wind. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we have that air quality alert for Kent, Allegan, and also Van Buren counties. Highs tomorrow in the low 80s. 13 on your side forecast. 80 plus all the way through Tuesday. We'll hang on to the haze through Tuesday as well. Humidity goes up on Sunday and sticks around through Tuesday. Showers, thunderstorms late Monday night through Tuesday. We've highlighted Tuesday with a possible severe weather day, but the showers end. It becomes windy on Wednesday afternoon. That brings in the cooler air, highs around 70 to end next week. We may see a shower now next Sunday, the holiday right now, looking sunshiny and 73.